Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
In this video, we will continue our journey of deploying AI agents in the cloud, now focusing on how to make them scalable, reliable, and resilient using AWS. Running a single AI agent is a good start, but as soon as demand increases, you need mechanisms to handle traffic automatically. This is where AWS auto-scaling and load balancing come into play. Imagine your AI agent receiving hundreds or even thousands of requests every hour. If you only have one instance, it may slow down or fail under heavy traffic. By combining auto-scaling and load balancing, AWS ensures that your AI agent can handle any amount of requests efficiently while maintaining availability. The first step is to launch an AWS EC2 instance and deploy your AI agent using a Docker container, just like we discussed in the previous video. Once the container is running and accessible, the next step is to set up a load balancer. Think of a load balancer as a traffic controller. It distributes incoming requests across multiple AI agent instances, ensuring no single instance gets overwhelmed. With the load balancer in place, you can configure an auto-scaling group. An auto-scaling group monitors your EC2 instances and automatically adds or removes instances based on traffic patterns, CPU usage, or other metrics you define. This means that during peak usage, additional instances will spin up automatically to handle the load, and during low usage, instances will be reduced to save cost. Conceptually, this setup transforms your AI agent deployment into a resilient system. Even if one instance fails or goes offline, the load balancer redirects traffic to healthy instances, maintaining uninterrupted service. This is critical for AI agents that are used in real-time applications or business workflows, where downtime can lead to frustration or lost opportunities. Next, we need to ensure that our AI agent's container is consistent across all instances. Docker images are key here because they package all the agent's code, dependencies, and configurations. By using the same Docker image for all instances in the auto-scaling group, you ensure uniform behavior and reliability, regardless of how many instances are running at a given time. Security is another essential consideration. AWS provides security groups and network configurations that allow you to control which traffic can reach your AI agents. By configuring these properly, you prevent unauthorized access while keeping your agents accessible to intended users. Monitoring and logging are also part of the deployment best practices. AWS CloudWatch can track metrics such as CPU usage, memory utilization, and network traffic, providing insights into how your AI agents are performing. By monitoring these metrics, you can fine-tune scaling policies and ensure optimal performance under varying loads. Finally, think about future expansion. With auto-scaling and load balancing, you can easily deploy multiple AI agents that collaborate on complex tasks. You can integrate these agents with automation tools, connect them with databases or APIs, and create robust workflows that run autonomously. This setup is foundational for building enterprise-ready AI systems that can serve thousands of users reliably. By mastering auto-scaling and load balancing, you are equipping yourself with the skills to deploy AI agents that are not only functional, but also resilient, scalable, and ready for real-world usage. This knowledge will set you apart as an AI engineer who understands how to bridge intelligent systems with cloud infrastructure effectively.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learneticguide.net.